Today's lesson will be a review of all of the parts and pieces that you've been working on for writing an opinion piece. What you have learned so far. From the past few lessons, you have learned how to read an article and take notes about the important information. For this assignment, these notes should come from the Common Sense article. Make sure you have read the Common Sense article, evaluated the prompt, that means read over it, and decided on your opinion. Make sure you have notes, evidence from the article to support your opinion. Review your written claim from Lesson 61. The next step in writing an opinion piece. So you've read the article, you've taken notes, and you've stated your claim. Let's put it all together in a graphic organizer. This is our planning piece, the part we do just before we get ready to put our essay into written form. Print the organizer from the lesson page, then fill it in with the information you have already completed. I have highlighted some information in the Common Sense article and included an example of the graphic organizer in the next few slides. Let's evaluate the prompt. Unpacking the prompt is very important. It's important that you understand what the prompt is asking you and how you need to take information from the article to put your essay together. This prompt says, do you think the United States should continue to make 1-cent coins? Make a list of at least 3 reasons to support your opinion. These reasons should be evidence from the Common Sense article. By evidence, we mean information that comes directly from the article. Let's take a look and read. Spend a few minutes reading through the first part of Common Sense. Then I'd like you to take a moment to focus on the part that is enclosed in the red box. You may choose to pause the video during this time. Keep reading. Keep reading. Last page. So let's take a look at answering the prompt. What's your opinion? After reading the article, do you think the United States should continue to make 1-cent coins? Use the information from previous lessons to complete the following graphic organizer. The introduction is the same as the claim. Write it here. You wrote your claim during Lesson 61. Remember that in your claim, you introduce your opinion. Your opinion, which expresses your point of view and the reasons for it. You may include facts here. Take a few minutes and fill out this portion of your graphic organizer. Pause the video, then press play when you're ready to move on. Why do you believe? One important thing that you need to know about writing an opinion essay is that you must support that opinion with factual information from the article. Let's take a look here. Reason number 1. Share the first reason to support your opinion. Why do you believe your opinion is right? Remember to give a reason that directly states and relates to your opinion and shows why your opinion is compelling. Use linking words and phrases to connect your reason to your opinion. I gave one example of a reason. Making the penny is very expensive. That was discussed in the article. In this section, you may decide to add additional information in this box. Let's take a look at evidence. Evidence is another very important component of the opinion essay. You should give more than one piece of evidence to support your reason number 1. Remember, evidence shows why your reason is valid. and it can be in the form of details, examples, statistics, quotations, or any other specific information that supports your reason. Let's read the example here. According to the article Common Sense, it costs 2.4 cents to make each penny. That is more than 2 times its actual value. As you can see, this information is directly from the article, and it supports the fact that making the penny is very expensive. You need more reasons, not just one. Let's take a look at the box. Reason number 2. This is your turn. Share the second reason to explain why you believe your opinion is right. Remember to give a reason that directly relates to your opinion and shows why your opinion is compelling. You're trying to convince the readers to believe you, to go with your side of the story. Use linking words and phrases to connect your reason to your opinion. Evidence. Give more than one piece of evidence to support your reason. Number 2. Remember, the evidence shows why your reason is valid. It gives details or examples, statistics, quotations, or other specific information. Pause the video and take a few minutes to fill in your information for reason number 2 and your evidence. If you have a third reason, you may complete your third reason on the back of this page. Just think about this part for now. The final portion of your essay would be your conclusion. You will conclude your opinion piece. A conclusion should stress that your opinion is based on evidence, tell why your opinion is worth considering, give the piece a sense of completeness, and leave a final impression on the reader. We'll talk more about the conclusion at a later time. This is a wrap-up of the review. Place your completed graphic organizer in a safe place. You will need it in a future composition lesson.